So I'm Ollie Roghani. I am from Blacksburg, born and raised. Been here for 27 years now, so it's been a while. I attended Virginia Tech for my bachelor's, master's, and Ph.D. degrees in engineering. Um, I actually got an MBA along the way too, so it's been quite the experience at Virginia Tech. I started ThermaSENSE, which is the name of my startup, during my master's degree program, or right soon after. And the essence of what we do is the ability to measure internal temperature of different objects without having to pierce them. And so, as you can imagine, you can put our sensors on all sorts of objects, walls, pipes, machines, and without having to drill a hole or be invasive, we can actually measure the internal temperature. Our current wearable device is something that we use on the human body, and it's capable of measuring your internal temperature from the bicep. And we've actually shown that to be a very accurate measure compared to more invasive methods such as rectal probes or esophageal probes, etc. So being from the area, I always wanted to stay close to home. I had a lot of offers to go to different schools throughout my academic career and then also afterwards. And part of the reason I applied to RAMP was because I really wanted to engage with the local entrepreneurial community in Southwestern Virginia. We actually had done an accelerator out of Richmond, Virginia before we got accepted to RAMP called Lighthouse Labs. And we had a lot of fun with that. It was a great experience. I would drive every day 3 hours and back sometimes to make the meetings. But what I realized is that afterwards, it's really hard to maintain those connections because we're so far away. And I'm hoping that by participating in RAMP, we can create more connections closer to home and also continue to build on them after the cohort's over with because of our locality in Southwestern Virginia. Another reason I applied to RAMP was because I just heard such great things from other friends who had gone through the program. I think there's a lot of help that we can get in terms of both figuring out what exactly we want to do with our technology, but then also the connections that really stand to help entrepreneurs such as myself be successful in different markets.